So where are you staying in Delhi?
I'm staying in horse cars
Okay, alone?
with a flat, like with a scholar from the college itself.
Okay. So what is your experience? Do you find Delhi safe as a woman?
For particularly one section, the women, there are still
Your experience. I'm talking about
my
your-
experience more or less has been mixed. There have been days and experiences where I have also got help from people when I was not expecting it, for example, in the late nights. But there have also been instances in metro stations, in cabs, where I have experienced not so good
So what do you
people.
think as an administrator things can be done to improve the level of safety for women in Delhi especially?
Ma'am, I think a lot is already being done in the form of giving women coaches, but I think vigilance during night can be increased more.
Okay. Any more points?
Uh, Also, a level of trust from the end of police administration, like gender sensitization, would really help the women to step out. And as more women start stepping out, a confidence can be built in the society where even the mischievers will tend to withdraw